Hi. So today I want to talk to you about a trick that I have been practicing for past many years is to how to make my sustainable wardrobe more interesting. So what I do is I divide my whole wardrobe into two sections, the summers and the winters. So during winters, as it is now, I pack my summer wardrobe and it goes away from my eye for 6 months till the end of the spring. And that's again when I take the summer wardrobe out and my winter wardrobe goes in. So in this way, I just circulate the same wardrobe, but I'm also excited about having not seen a wardrobe, and that makes it very interesting. And that also gives you a different perspective to style it differently and create different looks. So try this and see if you can segregate your wardrobe. If you have more patience than me, then maybe segregate the whole wardrobe into 4 different seasons. So keep 3 seasons away and only take out something which is for the present season. So do this and see how your sustainable wardrobe can sustain for longer years and see how that works for you. Let me know if you have some new tricks that can make the sustainable wardrobes more interesting. I would be happy to hear you out. Bye.